Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install the Betterment app for automated investing, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, open the App Store or Google Play Store on your device. In the search bar, type Betterment and tap the search icon. Locate the Betterment app in the search results. Once you find it, tap on the app's icon. On the app page, tap the Install or Get button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation completes, tap Open to launch the app. You will see the welcome screen when the app opens. Tap on Get Started to begin the setup process. Next, you'll need to create an account. Provide your email address and create a secure password. After entering your details, tap Continue. You may be prompted to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from Betterment. Open the email and click the verification link. Return to the app and sign in using your email and password. Now, you will need to answer these questions. Help determine your investing preferences and goals. Fill out the required fields regarding your financial situation. After completing the questionnaire, tap Submit. You will then review your investment options. Choose the plan that best fits your financial goals. Next, link your bank account for funding your investments. Enter your bank account information as prompted. Once your bank account is linked, you can choose your initial deposit. Review all your details and tap Start Investing. Congratulations, you have successfully installed the Betterment app and set up your account. You are now ready to begin your automated investing journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.